So for me, I have stopped making money online just because these people are scammers. Yes, I have proof. If you look at Chimo, if you look at OM Work, if you look at Starlight, and if you look at FIC, you bear witness with me that these websites are controlled by scammers. And when they get their money, then they run away and then they cut off the site. So I quit just because of those reasons. And let's see, if you are still into it, I have this warning for you. Before you register any online money site, this is what you should take note of. Whether it is legit or not. Sometimes they tell you that these websites are legit, but after all, these websites collapse. So before you register any online money site, okay, if you still want to do it, check if they have this Gmail entry, okay, where you enter your Gmail and also the password, okay. Make sure that when you enter the Gmail, never enter the real password or the Gmail that you have. Sometimes when they get access or when they register, when people register their account on the website and then they log in with their Gmail, they also go to this Gmail entry and then try to log in to see whether it will work for them to get into your account. So if they try and luckily you use your main password of the Gmail account, they can get into your Gmail account and then they can do a lot of stuff right there. As you know, we can use this Gmail account to do a lot of things like creating an account, a lot of accounts. I can't say it all, like PayPal and a lot. So if you're logging into any website, which is the online money website, always make sure that you enter a password different from your Gmail account. This is what I have for you here. And don't forget, I have this motion that I am moving, okay. It is the PayPal, bringing PayPal back to Ghana. So check in the comment section and then sign or vote, okay. So you tap on the link below, it is sent to this place and then you just tap here to sign and then they'll ask of your Gmail. You enter your Gmail, you enter your name as well, and then you vote, okay. So if you raise some points and we are lucky, we can get PayPal back to Ghana if PayPal get to know of these votes or this petition that we have started, okay. So go and vote and then increase the numbers from there, okay. See you again. Thanks for watching. Follow us for more videos from here or subscribe for more videos from here. Check on the screen for more videos, but check in the comment section and go and vote or sign, okay. I need your vote, I need your signature, okay. Let's bring PayPal back to Ghana. Bye.